Welcome to an introduction to Surah Zumar, the groups. This video explores divine unity, the expanse of Allah's earth, and the final separation of humanity based on the Tafhim al-Quran. The surah's name Zumar, meaning the groups, is derived from verses 71 and 73. It refers to the reality where humanity is separated into distinct crowds. Those who disbelieved driven to Jahannam, and those who feared their Lord driven to the garden. This surah was revealed during a difficult period in Mecca, known as the Era of Constriction, before the migration to Abyssinia. The atmosphere was filled with tyranny and persecution against the message of monotheism. Surah Az-Zumar is a powerful khutbah, or sermon, addressed primarily to the disbelieving Quraysh. Its tone is confrontational, presenting the truth with unwavering clarity amidst hostility. The central theme is the call to Khilas, or pure worship, to adopt serviture to Allah that is absolutely pure and unmixed. True God consciousness cannot be polluted by obedience to others alongside Allah. The surah repeatedly dismantles the logic of polytheism, exposing the error of shirk, or associating partners with Allah. It outlines the disastrous results of stubborn adherence to this and invites people back to mercy. A pivotal signal in the revelation is verse 10, Wardullahi wasi'a, Allah's earth is vast. This indicated that if the worship of Allah becomes impossible in one place, the believer is not bound to the soil, and a sanctuary for faith can be found elsewhere. This instruction was historically applied to Ja'far bin Abi Talib and his companions, who resolved to migrate to Abyssinia. It marked the transition from enduring persecution to seeking a new environment for the deen. The guidance is clear. Faith over geography. If your environment constricts the worship of Allah, do not compromise your faith. Leave the place to save your faith, prioritizing the spiritual connection over earthly attachment. For those who leave their homes and endure hardship for Allah's sake, the promise is unique. Allah asserts that He will recompense the patient, as-sabirin, without measure. Their reward is limitless. The Prophet ﷺ is commanded to dispel any hope the disbelievers have that their tyranny will succeed. He is instructed to tell them plainly, "Do whatever is in your power to stop me. I will continue my mission." The surah concludes by visualizing the result of the, quote, pollution of shirk. Those who arrogantly rejected the truth are driven in crowds toward their reckoning, and the gates of Jahannam close behind them. In contrast, those conscious of their Lord are driven in honored groups toward Jannah. They are welcomed with peace, the vastness of Allah's earth in this life, replaced by the vastness of paradise in the next. The core lessons from Az-Zumar are sincerity, courage, and reliance. Worship must be exclusively for Allah. When faith is threatened, seek Allah's vast earth. Steadfastness, sabr, is the believer's duty. Surah Az-Zumar is a timeless reminder. No matter how constricted the world feels, the path to Allah is always open. It is an invitation to step into the vast light of His mercy.